Hello viewers, you are watching my YouTube channel Vidyalaya Tutorials. Welcome everyone. Spoken English or communicative English has been a perpetual problem for the students. Not only for the students, I must say, for the professionals also in their professional arena. They are facing the problem every now and then. And I have been asked many a time, sir, what should be the proper solution, or what should be the way out to surpass this hitch of life? In bygone days, I myself couldn't realize, I myself couldn't understand the answer of the question. I didn't have the answer of their question. But gradually, by dint of my personal research, by dint of my individual research, I have concluded that a few processes, not maximum, a few 2 or 3 processes, if one can observe carefully, day in and day out, I mean to say the routine wise, the regular mode, I do believe the individual can surpass the problem within a month or within couple of months. What are the solutions? First of all, I must say, to practice vigorously. This piece of advice might sound cliche, because one can say me that, what new are you saying, sir? Because we are advised with the same every day from everyone. So what is new in it? Actually, I must admit, this is the first and foremost condition to develop your fluency, that to practice, rather to have a nice practice partner. Actually, I would like to say, to create a group or 3-4 people, maybe your friends or cousin or your fellow family man, anybody, and go for practicing in such a way that the regular usage, the regular conversations, what your need for regular days, just go for making the conversation on this topic also. Don't go for choosing the harder topics. Any topic, whatever the topic is, whatever the topic may be, that is your favorite, that is your cup of tea. Sports, maybe politics, social issues, film features, even the simple gossiping also. Topic is not the matter. The matter is that you speak with someone. When I am speaking to you, when I am speaking to my students, my English is getting improved. Similarly, as much as you speak, your English will develop. And at the very beginning, try to make some small sentences. Don't go for using very rich vocabularies. Use some simple words. Use some usable words which is acceptable to 9 to 90, and use some small and simple sentences. The development will come gradually. Please believe me, the development will come spontaneously. So 2 things I would like to say. First of all, try to create a group or of 3-4 people and make regular conversations with them, at least 15 minutes in a day or more. And preferably at the day end, you just choose a slot where you can make simple gossip with your friends or with your cousin, but that should be in English. And in your beginning days, in your beginning time, your sentences, your accents may be wrong. No matter, no issue at all. It's not at all a crime. While we are making conversation with others in Bengali or Hindi, do we speak all the grammatically correct sentences? Definitely not. So in case of English also, in case of enhancing the fluency in English, it is not at all needed from the very beginning that you should go for using some grammatically correct sentences, very rich vocabulary. Not like that. Very simple sentences, even incomplete sentences also. You need not to say, please give me a glass of water. You can say, water please. So that is the first thing. The first and the foremost matter is to practice, because unless and until you surpass your hesitation, you cannot be fluent in any language, not only English, for any language. Second thing is communicative skill, and the communicative skill is the first thing, and second thing is listening skill. What is this? Listen some good English. Listen some good English, and you may depend on, for this occasion, you may depend on watching cartoons, you may depend on listening commentary, you may depend on any news channels also. But mind one thing, when you watch cartoons, cartoon is a very nice thing for 9 to 90, you know that. Cartoon is a visual treat for us. Cartoon satisfies our mind also. It's a very nice thing. It's a very nice platform to pass your quality time. That you know. And I think that, I do believe that many of you are still watching cartoons. So cartoon must be in English version. Why I am emphasizing on cartoon? It is because cartoons are especially made for the children. So the sentence construction, the words used over there, that is very much easy for the children. So for the beginners or the average persons, those who are just initiating their speaking skill, those who are trying to improve their speaking skill, so from the very initial stage, cartoon is very efficacious. Second thing, cricket commentary and news channels, preferably the Indian English news channels, preferably the Indian cricket commentator. Why? It is because prima facie, if you go for spending your time on foreign news channels or the foreign commentators, their accent, their speed of sentences are somehow different, and it might demotivate you, it might discourage you at the initial stage. So I prefer to choose the Indian commentators or the Indian news channels. That would be very beneficial for this case. And third is very important, my dear viewers. Please concentrate on it. The third is to imitate others. Imitating others is a very scientific learning process. I must say. For example, I can say the students, the kids admitted to the ICSE schools, from the very beginning stage of their life, from the kids stage of their life, they are quite accustomed to speaking English. Why? It is because all are reared up, all are brought up in such an environment where no other language is used except English. Another example, when you are traveling by a train, the tea sellers, they cry their trade like chai, chai. A little child doesn't know what is the meaning of this language. But immediately, instantly, all of a sudden, it starts imitating with even with the broken pronunciation, chai and chai. So to imitate others is also a very nice medium to develop your communicative language. So 3 things you should recollect. First, to practice and create a practice group. Number 2, to enhance your communicative skill by increasing the listening skill, listening platform, create a listening platform. And third one is to imitate others. And whenever and wherever you find you get any particular word or particular sentence, new vocabulary, just store it in your head top. Your head top is having infinite GB. Your head top is having infinite GB. And moreover, you don't have to pay a single penny for that. Right? And if you are unable to keep the word, if you are unable to store the words or the sentences in your head top, then make a copy of vocabulary right there. So the data, the information you have stored in your head top, that is your soft copy. And the words or the sentences, whatever you are writing on your diary or your vocabulary copy, that is your hard copy. So I assure all of you, if you pursue all these advices, you must be fluent in your speaking English within a month or within a couple of months. Right? And this process that I have described so long, this process are the very compatible, because it has been tested on many students several times, and I have got remarkable feedback. So dear viewers, thank you for tolerating me for the last 10 to 12 minutes. Keep watching my channel, subscribe my channel if you haven't yet, and please press the bell icon so that you can get all the necessary information and you can get all the notifications of the upcoming videos. Thank you very much again. Stay safe.